Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to see OnlyFans account without paying. But first, check out our latest offer or special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you want to get access on those free content that is being offered here in OnlyFans, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, if you want to see or access a specific account or profile here in OnlyFans, well, the thing with this one is sometimes those accounts would actually offer what we call a free subscription. Now, if you want to access those certain tiers, like there are like what we call subscriptions they need to pay for, well, there's not much that we could do here, but if they do offer a free subscription, well, there is a way for you to basically use that. Now, basically, what you need to do is you want to go and just search for the account that you want to go ahead and subscribe to. So there are multiple ways on finding an account that you can actually subscribe through. So if you go to their homepage or to OnlyFans homepage here and go to the suggestion section, you should see an option here that looks like a price tag. So if you click on the show only free, it will give you the option to view all free contents or accounts that actually that offers a free subscription so you could use, and you'll be able to access their content that they do offer on the free tier. So in this case, you go and just click on the refresh button here if you want to search for more accounts or see other accounts as well. But in this case, maybe I want to go and just access one of the accounts here. Let's go and choose this one. And as you can see right now, you should see the subscribe button. So you can go and just click on subscribe here, and you'll now be able to access accounts, photos, or videos that they do offer on this specific profile here. Now, if you want to access, again, like what I saying here, if you want to access someone's specific profile that requires a payment, well, unfortunately, there is no legal way for you to access that without actually paying. So it actually goes against OnlyFans, let's just say, terms of use here. So it's better to be using the legal way so that you're also supporting your favorite content creator here. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.